Hello everybody. I hope everyone is having a good weekend so far, and welcome to my channel. I didn't really buy anything today. I am gonna do my makeup today. Like I said, I have been cleaning and stuff in here and just putting away just like makeup and everything. Um so this is what I'm gonna be doing today. I got all of my Profusion. I love Profusion though. This is like one of my favorite brands. So I just got all kinds of stuff in here. Um, I had stuff like in here. I have these LA colors. I got these at Dollar General. And then of course I got some Essence. I love their blushes. And I got a whole bunch of different random items. And I'm also getting my iPad today too, so that is like my big purchase. That's why I haven't really been buying a whole bunch of stuff, because I'm getting a new iPad and hopefully I can record better on it than I do on my Kindle. But yeah, this is what I will be doing. It's just putting stuff in here. Like I have more Profusion. I got a lot of this stuff over at TJ Maxx and Big Lots, because Big Lots had a lot of Profusion stuff and everything. I got this over at Walmart. I really like Profusion. I got that at Walmart, so this is what I will be doing today. And it's rearranging and everything. Like I said, I just didn't see anything that I wanted. So I went to the Dollar Tree already. I'll probably be going to the Dollar Tree again, maybe next week or next weekend. I'm just trying to pace myself, because I've been spending a lot of money at the Dollar Tree lately, and I really need to pace myself and stuff. So, but anyways, this is what I'm gonna be doing. Today is just doing some rearranging my makeup and some of my Dollar Tree stuff, and in the back I have this like purses and stuff back there. But yeah, this is what I'll be doing today. If you guys like my videos, please like, sub, and comment. Thanks for watching. And remember, be positive, stay positive.